Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the solving the problems in class 8 chapter 5 of the name of probability. Okay, yes, let's start with first question. Here conceptual understanding type questions are there. In that first one is, if E is an event, then which of the following four options is correct? First option is 0 is less than P of E is less than 1. Here students, if E is any event, then P of E means probability of that event. Okay, then option B, 0 is less than equal to P of E is less than 1. Option C, 0 is less than equal to P of E is less than equal to 1. Option D, 0 is less than P of E is less than equal to 1. Okay, probability of any event varies from 0 to 1 means what? The minimum value of probability of any event is 0, the maximum value of probability of any event is 1. So it varies from 0 to 1 means here that means indirectly we have to understand that the probability of an impossible event is 0, the probability of an sure event is 1. Okay, yes, then option C is the correct answer. 0 is less than equal to P of E and is less than equal to 1. Next question, students. In an experiment, the sum of probabilities of different events is dash. Okay, the sum of probabilities of different events always equal to 1. Then option A is the correct answer. Next question. Probability of an event can be, here students, one more thing here, probability of any event varies from 0 to 1 as well as it cannot be negative and it, okay, yes, that means minus 0.7 is wrong. Why? Because this is negative. Next, 11 by 9, the value of 11 by 9 is exceeding 1, that means this is also wrong. Option C, 1.001 means this is also exceeding 1, so this is also wrong. 0.6 lying between 0 and 1, so option D is correct answer. Next question. Which one cannot be probability of an event? Yes, as I said now, probability of any event cannot be negative as well as it cannot be more than 1. Okay, yes, now 2 by 3 means this value 0.6 means, okay, there is a possibility. Minus 1 by 2 means this is negative. Okay, probability of any event cannot be negative, that means what? Option B is the correct answer. Anyway, let us check option C and option D also. 3 by 5 means 0.6. Okay, there is a possibility. 1 by 6 means it's lying between 0 and 1. Okay, this is also possibility, so option B is the correct answer. Next question. What is the probability of choosing a vowel from the English alphabets? Okay, total there are 26 English alphabets. In that 26, 5 vowels are there and they are A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O and U. These are the vowels and there are 5 vowels. Total number of English alphabets 26. Then probability of choosing a vowel from the English alphabets means probability of any event is equal to number of favorable outcomes to the event by total number of possible outcomes. So let us take P of E be the probability of choosing a vowel from English alphabet. Then number of favorable outcomes to the event means what? 5. These 5 are favorables. Okay, 5 by total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes is nothing but the meaning of here total number of English alphabets, that is 26. Therefore, the required answer is 5 by 26. Option B is correct answer. Okay. Next question, students. Which of the following is the sample space when 2 coins are tossed? Suppose two coins are tossed, then possible outcomes are what? Yes, H, 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 T, 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 H. Here H means what? Head. T means what? Tail. Suppose if you toss a two coins simultaneously, then HH means the meaning of the the result of first coin may be head and the result of second coin also may be head. So HH. Next HT means the result of first coin may be head, second coin may be tail. Third one. TT means the result of first coin may be tail, the result of second coin also may be tail. Fourth one. First coin may be tail, second coin may be head. So these are the four possible outcomes. Sample space means what? Simple, just you can write this in a bracket form. Means what? Brace form. Now from the given options, sample space is equal to here. S means sample space. HH, comma HT, comma TT, comma TH. If you toss a two coins simultaneously, then we get sample space like this. Then from the given options, option A is wrong, option B is wrong, option C is correct. So option C is the answer. Next question. Okay, concept. Now we are going to enter into single correct answer type questions. Okay, let's start with first question. A dice is thrown once, a number is noted, then probability that is a prime number is dash. Suppose if a dice is thrown once, then what are the possible outcomes? Here possible outcomes are nothing but meaning of the counts on the top of the die. Means it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6. Okay, there are 6 possible outcomes. Out of these 6, what are the prime numbers? 1 is not prime number. Okay, 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 4 is not prime number, 5 is prime number, and 6 is not a prime number. Out of these 6, there are 3 or 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Okay, then let P of E be the probability of a number which is prime. Means what? Number of favorable outcomes to the event. Means here 3. By total number of outcomes 6. Therefore, the required answer is 3 by 6. Option C is the correct answer. Next question, students. Out of 35 students participating in a debate, 10 are girls. The probability that winner is a boy is. Total number of students participate in a debate. Total number of students participated in debate is equal to 35. Out of this 35, 10 are girls. Number of girls participated in debate is equal to 10. So, number of boys participated in debate is equal to 35 minus 10, that is equal to 25. Yes, now probability of that winner is a boy. Suppose let P of E be the probability of that winner as boy is. Here, number of favorable outcomes even means what? Only boy should be win. So how many boys are there? 25. These are favorable outcomes to the event, and total number of outcomes means the total number of students who are participating in the debate. That is nothing but 35. 25 by 35 for this Let us take 5 as a common factor. 5 5s are 5 7s are 5 by 7. The required answer is 5 by 7. Option D is the correct answer. Okay students, next question. In a cricket match, a batsman hits a sixer 8 times out of 32 balls played. Totally he attempted 32 balls. Out of these 32, 8 balls he scored 6 runs in each ball. That meaning, now the probability that a sixer is not hit in a ball is dash. Total number of balls attempted. Total number of balls attempted is equal to 32. Out of these 32, 8 balls hits a sixer. The remaining what? Remaining are 24 balls. Yes. The probability that a sixer is not hit in a ball means these 24 balls are favorable outcomes. Therefore, let P of E be the event that probability that a sixer is not hit in a ball means 24 by total number of balls 32. 24 by 32. Let us take 8 as a common factor. 8 3s are 8 4s are 3 by 4. 3 by 4 can be written as 0.75. So from the given options, option A is the correct answer. Next question students. A coin is tossed 25 times and the data is recorded as head is 15, tail is 10. Then the probability of not getting a head. Not getting a head means you have to understand that probability of getting head, getting tail. Okay, the required answer is what? Probability of getting let the required answer be P of E, and P of E is the meaning of here probability of not getting head. That means indirectly probability of getting tail. Means getting tail means for 10 out of 25. Therefore, required answer is 10 by 25. 10 by 25 can be taken as 2 by 5. 5 is a common factor. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Probability of getting an even number when a die is thrown is. Okay, if a die is thrown once, then what are the possible outcomes? Possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the possible outcomes. Out of these, 2 is even and 4 is even, 6 is even. These three are even numbers. Therefore, the required probability P of E, probability of P of E means here probability of getting a number which is even when a die is thrown once means 3 by total number outcome 6, 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Option C is the correct answer. Next question students. Two coins are tossed simultaneously, then the probability of getting two heads is. Two coins are tossed simultaneously, then what are the possible outcomes? TT, TH, HH, HT. These are the possible outcomes. Out of these, which are favorable to the event, is asking probability of getting two heads. Two heads means this is only one case is favorable out of these 4 cases. Therefore, the required probability of event is equal number of favorable outcomes event by total number of outcomes means 1 by total number of outcomes means 4. 1 by 4. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. A coin is tossed 40 times and it showed tail 24 times. then the probability of getting a head was is out of 40 times 24 times are tail means remaining number of times means what? 40 minus 24, 16 times. Okay, this 16 times must be showed as head. Then the probability of getting head is equal P of E means 40 minus 24 by 40 means 16 by 40. 16 by 40, let us take 8 as a common factor. 8 2s are 16 by 8 5s are 40. 2 by 5 is the required answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, next question. A bag contains 10 balls, out of which 4 balls are white and the others are non-white. Then the probability of getting a non-white ball is total number of balls are 10. Out of these 10, 4 are white. Remaining what? 10 minus 4. 6 are non-white. Then probability of getting a non-white ball, let it be P of E, means 6 are favorable outcome. 6 by total number of balls 10. 6 by 10 means 3 by 5. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The probability of a happening of an event is 37%. The probability of the event is 37%. 37 out of 100 means 37 by 100. 37 by 100 can be written as 0.37. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. A game consists of a tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting the outcome each time. Ramesh will win the game if all the tosses show the same result. That is like either all the 3 heads or all the 3 tails, and loses the game otherwise. Then find the probability that Ramesh will lose the game. Suppose 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, then what are the possible outcomes? H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, T. Next, T, 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 H, T, H, T, T, H, H. Okay, these are the possible outcomes. Suppose a number of coins are 3, then to find the number of possible outcomes, just there is a formula 2 to the power of number of coins are tossed at a time, means 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8. Okay, we will get the 8 possible outcomes. Out of these 8 possible outcomes, all the 3 should same the result. Same result means all the 3 may be heads or all the 3 may be tails. Okay, yes. Now find the probability. Yes, find the probability that Ramesh will lose the game. When will Ramesh will win the game? Ramesh will win the game if all the tosses show the same result. Otherwise, he will lose the game. Means what? Only in these 2 cases. Means what? Either all the 3 are heads or all the 3 are tails. Only in these 2 cases Ramesh will win the game. In the remaining all the cases means the remaining 6 cases he will lose the game. This what? Therefore, P of E. Here P of E means probability of event to lose the game by Ramesh. Means here 6 out of 8. 6 by 8. 6 by 8 means 3 by 4. Ramesh will win the game if all the 3 cases, otherwise lose the game. Find the probability that Ramesh will lose the game. Yes, in the remaining 6 cases he will lose the game, means 6 out of 8. 6 by 8, that means 3 by 4. Here from the given options 3 by 4 is not there. Students, please correct it. Make it answer is 3 by 4. Next question, students. From a normal pack of cards, a card is drawn at random. The probability of getting a jack or king is, okay, in a normal pack of cards, there will be 52 cards. Out of these 52, 4 sets are there. Each set contains 13 cards. 13 out of these 13 heart symbol cards, 13 spade symbol cards, 13 club symbol cards, 13 diamond symbol cards. Okay, these 52 cards will be divided as a 4 sets. Each set contains 13 cards. These are the symbols: heart symbol, spade symbol, club symbol and diamond symbol. Okay, again if you take a one set, out of these 13 numbered cards, means like number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. These are called numbered cards. Remaining J for jack, Q for queen, K for king, A for S. These are called jack, queen, king are called face cards. Now, in each set, we are getting one jack and one king. Okay, there are totally 4 sets are there. 4 into 2, 8. 8 are favorable outcomes to the event. Okay, therefore the required probability means what? Probability getting either jack or king. Either jack or king means there are 8 possibilities. Therefore probability of required event is equal to 8 by 52. Okay, let us take 4 as a common factor. 4 2s are 4 13s are 2 by 13 is the required answer. Okay, from the given options, option C is the correct answer, student. Next question. 2 numbers are chosen from 1 to 5. The probability for the 2 numbers to be consecutive is, okay, 1 to 5 means what are the possible outcomes? First of all, one comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. Next 2 comma 1 over 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5. Next 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2 over 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5. Next 4 comma 1 over next 4 comma 5. First of all, these are the possible outcomes whenever if you take a number from 1 to 5. Total how many are possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 possible outcomes. Out of these 10 possible outcomes, what are the requirement actually? We need consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers, continuous numbers. Like what? 1, 2. This is one favorable outcome. 2, 3. This is one favorable outcome. 3, 4. This is one favorable outcome. 4, 5. This is one favorable outcome. Here why? Because 1, 2 are consecutive numbers. 2, 3 are consecutive. 3, 4 are consecutive, and as well as 4, 5 also consecutive. So there are 4 favorable outcomes are there out of 10. Therefore the required probability means P of E is equal to 4 by 10. 4 by 10 means it can be written as 2 by 5. So option B is the correct answer. Next question, students. 2 dice are thrown at a time. The probability that the difference of the numbers shown on the dice 1 is dash. Suppose 2 dice are thrown at a time, then what are the possible outcomes? First of all, 1, 1 means here meaning The first one represents the count on top face on the first die. Next one is represent the count on the top on the second die. Means that 1, 2. Similarly 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. In the same way we get 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and so on. We will get 6, 6. Totally, if you throw 2 dice at a time, the number of possible outcomes are 6 square. 6 square means 36. Therefore, the total number of outcomes are 36. Out of these 36, which are the favorable outcomes? Your condition is what? Counts on 2 dice. The difference on counts on 2 dice must be 1. Means for this 1, 2. This is the favorable outcome. Next, 2, 1, 2, 3. In the same way, 1, 1, difference is 1, 2. Next, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5. Because if you take any odd pair here, the difference of counts on first and second is giving 1. Now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 are the favorable outcomes to the event. Then required answer is 10 by total number of outcomes 36. Therefore, required answer P of E is equal 10 by 36. 10 by 36 can be written as 5 by 18. 2 is a common factor here. So option A is the correct answer. Next question, students. A bag contains 3 white and 5 red balls. If a ball is drawn at random, the probability that the drawn ball to be red. Okay. Let P of E be the event that, let P of E be the probability of event that choosing a ball is red. Okay, that means how many red balls are there? 5. These 5 are favorable outcomes to the event. Okay, number of favorable outcomes to event by total number of outcomes means a total number of balls. How many balls are there? 3 white and 5 red. Totally 8 balls are there. Therefore, required answer is what? 5 by 8. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The probability of getting an odd number when a die is rolled is. If a die is rolled, then what are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this, 1 is odd, 2 is not odd, 3 is odd, 4 is not odd, 5 is odd, 6 is not odd. So 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers means there are 3 possible outcomes, 3 favorable outcomes out of 6. Therefore, required answer is P of E is equal to 3 by 6. That means 1 by 2. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. A card is drawn from a packet of 100 cards numbered 1 to 100. The probability of drawing a number which is perfect square is, okay, from 1 to 100 if you take, what are the perfect square numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. These are the perfect square numbers from 1 to 100. If you take your numbers from 1 to 100. How many are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 perfect square numbers. So the required probability is, the probability of drawing a number which is a perfect square means number of favorable outcomes to the event by total number of outcomes means 10 by 100. 10 by 100 can be taken as 1 by 10. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. Probability for randomly selected number out 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to 25 to be a prime number. Yes. What are the prime numbers? Below 26. Why? Because up to 25 you can take. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. These are the prime numbers. Okay, how many are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are 9 prime numbers. These are favorable outcomes to event. Then the required probability is, number of favorable outcomes to event means 9. 1 to 25 means totally there are 25 numbers means 25. 9 by 25. The required answer is 9 by 25. Option D is the correct answer. Next question, student. In a single throw of 2 dice, the probability of getting a sum is 10 is okay. In a single throw of dice, if you throw 1 die, then what are the possible outcomes actually? 1, 2, single throw of 2 dice means possible outcomes are 1, 1, next 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and so on, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Total number of outcomes what? 2 dice are thrown. So 6 power 2. 6 power 2 means 36. Total number of outcomes are 36. Out of these 36, how many are possible favorable outcomes to event? Okay, sum of the counts on 2 dice must be 10. Means if it starts with 1, there is no possibility. If it starts with 2, no possibility. If it starts with 3, no possibility. If it starts with 4, there is a possibility. 4, 6 means 4 plus 6 is 10. Next 5 plus 5 is 10. Similarly 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, out of these 36, these 3 are only favorable outcomes. So the required answer is 3 by 36. 3 by 36. 3 by 36 can be taken as 1 by 12. 3 is the common factor. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, student. If A, B, C are 3 events for which P of E is equal to 0.6, P of B is equal to 0.4 and P of C is equal to 0.5, P of A union B is equal to 0.8, P of A intersection C is equal to 0.3 and P of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 0.2. If P of A union B union C is greater than or equal to 0.85, then P of B intersection C, what? Okay. Okay, first of all, what is the formula for P of A union B union C? If A, B, C and any 3 events, then according to addition theorem of probability, P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus of P of A intersection B minus of P of B intersection C minus of P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Here suppose P of A union B union C varies from 0.85 to 1. Suppose let's take P of A union B union C is equal to 0.85 in case 1. If it is 0.85, then what is the value of P of B intersection C? Let us find it. Here P of A value is 0.6, P of B 0.4, P of C 0.5 minus P of A intersection B okay. First students, before going to P of A intersection B, first we need to find P and A intersection B separately. Yes, we have formula P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus of P of A intersection B. So, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus of P of A union B. Here P of A value 0.6 plus P of B value 0.4 minus P of A union B value 0.8. That means 0.6 plus 0.4 means 1, 1 minus 0.8 means 0.2. Here P of A intersection B value 0.2. Let us take this is 0.2 now, minus of P of B intersection C minus of P of C intersection A. C intersection and A intersection both are meaning same, 0.3 plus P of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 0.2. Now P of B intersection C is equal to 0.6 plus 0.4 means 1, 1 plus 0.5, 1.5. Here minus 0.2 plus 0.2 get cancelled. 1.5 minus 0.3 means 1.2. Okay, in the first case we are getting P of B intersection C value 1.2 minus of 0.85. 1.2 minus of 0.85 means 0.35. Okay, in the case 1 we are getting P of B intersection C value 0.35. Next case, suppose if P of A union B union C value is equal to 1, then P of B intersection C is equal to what? 1.2 minus 1, that is equal to 0.2. Okay, therefore the value of P of B intersections varies from 0.2 to 0.35. 0.2 to 0.35 is option A, yes. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you students. Let us meet in the next class.